Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how to manage notifications in the Whatnot app. Many users receive constant alerts from auctions, offers, or followed users, which can be overwhelming. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to customize your notification settings and take control of your Whatnot experience. First, open the Whatnot app on your device. Once the app is open, locate the account icon at the bottom right and tap on it. Next, scroll down the menu until you see the Notifications Settings option and click on it. Then, you will find multiple categories of notifications, including auctions, followed users, offers, and other activity alerts. Click on any category that you want to manage. You can choose to turn off push notifications for each category individually, allowing you to receive only the alerts that matter most to you. Finally, review your choices to make sure that the notifications you want to stay active remain on, and the ones you do not want are turned off. This will help reduce distractions and improve your overall experience with the app.